your week was good and your summer is going well. Now I am at my parents' house. Me and my husband brought here from Istanbul our cats, and now all the cats finally are together. And something unexpected happened with Boris. As you know, I took him here first. It was like a test drive traveling with cat, and he was living without me alone with my parents around 3 weeks. And when me and my husband brought 2 other cats, Boris was not happy at all. He was shouting at us, he was growling, he didn't let us pet him. Can you imagine that? Boris, that lovely child with whom I had like the best connection ever, now behaves to me like I'm some kind of stranger and enemy. But I didn't get sad so much because I understand that Boris is still a child. He is emotional and unstable, and I think he just got used to live just alone with my parents, and he got used to accept all the love, all attention just for himself. And now the competitors came. Of course he would be angry, and basically we ruined his dictatorship here and we ruined his peace. But now it's already a week past and he's behaving better and he became more kind, lovely. I think he just got used to and he's remembering us. So everything is fine. Cats got used to my parents super quickly. They like their new home. It's so much space, so much more than in our home in Istanbul. And we're teaching my parents how to take care of them, how to cut their nails, how much food they should give them, and so on. And in general, all of us having really good time here in the summer. The weather is super hot and we're doing much sport. We're reading, walking in the city, eating fresh, delicious watermelon and cherry and fruits. In Omsk, the fruits exactly are one of the best in Russia, in my opinion. And in several days, me and my husband will go to St. Petersburg and we will spend there the rest of the summer. And I wanted to show you one more thing. I found my old childhood books, and back then I didn't realize how good the illustrations and pictures are, and I want to show them to you. When you are 5 or 7 years old, you just see some pictures, but you don't understand much, and you cannot appreciate the skills of the artists who made them. Now I see how brave their techniques are, the colors and the lines. This book is a little bit strange. I used to be confused, but at the same time got mesmerized by these strange crooked pictures. It's unique style and very free and brave as well. This is the book of the same year as my birth, and I liked her even before I learned how to read. It's a really fascinating and detailed encyclopedia that gives you answers to a variety of questions on all topics, from art and science to history and philosophy. Even today it's interesting to read. And this is the oldest book with poems by Alexander Pushkin. It's my mom's book when she was a baby. It's 58 years old. Can you imagine? Such a precious memory of my mom's childhood, made in Soviet Union. I remember reading these poems and learning them by heart. And now let me show you a little bit more how I've been spending my days here.
час он не предаст. Работа, а пахать будет до темна. Зимовая работа, жила